Hello, in this video I want to show you how to save your layout for Keychron V1. And to do this, first we'll need to find this website. Just enter it on your browser. I will try to include it in the description of this video. Then when you're on it, you can click on the Start Now under the Simple, and it should open your keyboard screen like this. Then we can click on the Save and Load. There's a Save Current Layout that we can click on, and that will save the file that will be able to load afterwards right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.